Good morning all. Last day we have discussed about permutations. Permutation is a rearrangement of numbers set given a set A and we are rearranging the elements in A. Its formal definition is it's a function from A to A such that that function is 1 1 and on 2. Now we are discussed about the identity permutations, inverse permutation and the product permutation. Today we have a theorem. Let A be a non-empty set and let SA be the collection of all permutations of A. Then SA is a group under permutation multiplication. We have to show that the collection of all permutations of A is a group. For that we have to first show that it's a binary operation. Then we have to show that it satisfies the axiom G1 associativity, the axiom G2 the existence of identity and the axiom G3 the existence of inverse. Before that we are starting with the concepts given. Let A be a non-empty set and let SA be the collection of all permutations of A. Now we have to show that SA is a group under permutation. So first we have to show that the product of two permutations is a binary operations. So we are taking two elements sigma and tau, two functions, two permutations from A, so that both sigma and tau are both 1 1 and on 2 functions. Now given that both sigma and tau are functions, so sigma of tau, the composite of function, is also a function from A to A. Now we have to show that this composition is 1 1 and on 2. For that take any two element. First we are showing that it is 1 1. For that we are taking two elements A1 and A2 from A. Then sigma of tau of A1 is equal to sigma tau of A2 implies sigma tau of A1. നമ്മൾ കോമ്പോസിറ്റിന്റെ രീതിയിൽ എഴുതി sigma tau of A1 is equal to sigma tau of A2. നമുക്കറിയാം സിഗ്മ 1 1 ആണ്. സോ സിഗ്മ tau of A1 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ tau of A1 ആവും. സിഗ്മ tau of A2 tau of A2. അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ 1 1ന്റെ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ. അതാണ് f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. അപ്പോൾ ആ സിഗ്മ എന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ ഒഴിവാക്കി. അപ്പോൾ tau of A1 is equal to tau of A2. Now again tau is 1 1. So നമ്മൾ ആ tau ഒഴിവാക്കി A1 is equal to A2. Hence sigma tau is 1 1. Now we are going to show that it's on 2. For that let take any element A from A. Then since sigma is on 2, there exists അതിനൊരു പ്രീ ഇമേജ് ഉണ്ട്. നമ്മൾ ഇത് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ രണ്ടും A to A ആയതുകൊണ്ട് എലമെന്റുകളെല്ലാം there exists A1 element of A such that sigma of A1 is equal to A. ഇനി tau is also on 2. So there exists A2 such an element of A such that tau of A2 is equal to A1. Now we are taking A is equal to, which is equal to, we are taken sigma of A1 which is equal to sigma of tau of A2 which implies sigma tau of A2. So we got a pre-image for A. So sigma tau is on 2. So sigma tau is a 1 1 on 2 function. So it's a permutation of A. So hence the set of all permutations of A is closed with respect to permutation multiplication, and so permutation multiplication is a binary operation on the set of all permutations of A. Hence SA is closed under permutation multiplication. Now we have to show that G1. So permutation multiplication is a composition of functions and we know that composition of functions is associative. Hence permutation multiplication is also associative. So group axiom G1 is satisfied. Now we have to define the identity permutation. So we are defining the function tau from A to A defined by tau of A is equal to A for all A element of A is 1 1 and on 2. Hence tau is a permutation of A known as, നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്തതാണ് permutation identity permutation. ഇനി നമ്മൾ ബാക്കിയുള്ള permutations എടുത്തു. For any other permutations sigma tau of sigma of A is equal to tau of A ആണ് നമ്മൾ എഴുതുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ tau of sigma of A is equal to sigma of A. Similarly sigma of tau of A is equal to sigma of tau of A വരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് A എന്ന് കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. Sigma of tau of A is equal to sigma of A for all A element of A. So tau sigma is equal to sigma tau for all sigma element of SA. Hence tau element of SA is the identity element for the operation permutation multiplication of permutation. Therefore G2 is satisfied. Now we have to show the G3. Now since sigma element of SA, the sigma is sigma from A to A and it is 1 1 and 1 2, hence it is invertible. So there exists some sigma inverse from A to A which is also 1 1 and 1 2. So sigma inverse also a permutation of A. Hence sigma inverse element of SA for each A element of A. Now we have to show that sigma inverse of A is the element A1 of A such that A is equal to sigma of A1. Now consider therefore sigma inverse of A is equal to sigma of sigma inverse of A which is equal to sigma inverse of A is sigma of A1 which is equal to A which is equal to, so sigma inverse of A equal to A എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ which is equal to tau of A. So sigma inverse sigma of A1 is equal to sigma inverse of sigma of A1 which is equal to sigma inverse of A which is equal to A1 which is equal to tau of A1. Hence sigma inverse equal to tau equal to sigma inverse sigma. Thus every element of SA has an inverse in SA and hence G3 is satisfied. Therefore SA is a group under permutation multiplication. Now we have to show that permutation multiplication is not commutative. We are showing the axioms G1, G2, G3, G3. Now we are showing that it does not satisfy G4. For that we took an example. Let A is equal to set 1 2 3 4. Then take sigma is equal. നമുക്ക് ഇതിൽ സിഗ്മ ഇപ്പോൾ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന സിഗ്മയും ടോയും വേണമെന്നില്ല, ഐഡന്റിറ്റി പെർമ്യൂട്ടേഷൻ അല്ലാത്ത ഏത് വേണമെങ്കിലും എടുക്കാം. 1 2 3 4 4 2 1 3. Then tau is equal to 1 4 2 3. Then sigma tau is equal to 1 2 3 4 4 2 1 3 1 2 3 4 1 4 2 3 which is equal to, ഇവിടെ 1 goes to 1, here 1 goes to 4, so this is 4. Here 2 goes to 4, 4 goes to 3. ആദ്യം ടോയിലുള്ളത് ചെയ്യുക, എന്നിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് വാല്യൂ ഇവിടെ ഉള്ളത്. 3 goes to 2, 2 goes to again 2, 4 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1. So this is sigma tau and tau sigma is equal to 1 2 3 4 1 4 2 3 1 2 3 4 4 2 1 3. So first take from sigma 1 goes to 4. Now that 4 goes to 3. Now here 2 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4 here. Now 3 goes to 1, 1 goes to 1 there. 4 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2. So that is sigma tau not equal to tau sigma. Next problem is given that sigma equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 1 4 5 6 2. Tau is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 4 1 3 6 5. First compute tau square sigma. So this composition of functions is associative, so we could find anything first. So I found tau square first. Tau square is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 4 1 3 6 5. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 4 1 3 6 5. So which is equal to, we could write this 1 2 3 4 5 6 on the top. From right side we have to start. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 1, 1 to 2, 4 to 3, 4 to 3, 3 to 1, 5 to 6, 6 to 5, 6 to 5, 5 to 6. So this is tau square. Now we have to find tau square sigma. For that, this is tau square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6 into sigma is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2, which is equal to, from right side we have to start 1, 2, 3, first we could write the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 1, 2, 3, 3 to 2, next 2 goes to 1, so 1 goes to 4, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 1, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 5, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 6, 6 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3. So 2, 4, 1, 5, 6, 3. This is tau square sigma. Now we have to find, next we have to find sigma inverse tau sigma. For that, first we have to find the sigma inverse equal to ulta 3, 1, 4, 5, 6 sigma. First second row first row ആയിട്ട് എഴുതുക, second row first row second row ആയിട്ട് എഴുതുക 4, 5, 6. next we have to write in order. So 1 ന്റെ അടിയിലുള്ളത് 2, 2 ന്റെ അടിയിലുള്ളത് 6, 3 ന്റെ അടിയിലുള്ളത് 1, 4 ന്റെ arrangement 3, 5 ന്റെ 4, 6 ന്റെ 5. So this is sigma inverse. Now we have to find sigma inverse tau. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tau is 2, 4, 1, 3, 6, 5, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 6, 2 goes to 4, 4 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1, 1 goes to 2. For right side il ninnu venam cheyan. 4 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 5, 6 goes to 5, 5 goes to 4. Now we have to find sigma inverse tau sigma, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4 into sigma is, this we have already find. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2, which is equal to, now we could write the first row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, 1 goes to 6, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 1, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 5, 6, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 4, 6 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 2, 6, 1, 5, 4, 3 is the answer. Next is we have to find sigma raised to 100. For that, we first find sigma square, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2, which is equal to, again we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Somewhere we have to find the powers of sigma. Somewhere it will becomes the tau identity matrix, identity permutation. Till that you have to do this work, sigma raised to n you have to find. So 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4, 2 goes to 1, 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 6, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 2, 6 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1. So this is sigma square. Now you have to find sigma cube. Sigma cube is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 3 5 6 2 1 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 1 4 5 6 2, which is equal to again 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 5, 2 goes to 1, 1 goes to 4, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 6, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 2, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 1, 6 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3. Sigma raised to 4 is equal to 1 2 3 4 sigma raised to 3 into sigma 5 4 6 2 1 3 into sigma is 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 1 4 5 6 2, which is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 into next term. Here 1 goes to 3, that 3 goes to 6, so 1 in addition 6, 2 goes to 1, 1 goes to 5, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 2, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 1, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 3, 6 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4. This is sigma raised to 4. Now we have to find sigma raised to 5, which is equal to sigma raised to 4 into sigma 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 5 2 1 3 4 into sigma is 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 1 4 5 6 2, which is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, 1 goes to 6, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 1, 5 goes to 6, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 3, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 4, 6 goes to 2, 2 goes to 5. This is sigma raised to 5. So sigma raised to 6 is equal to sigma raised to 5 into sigma, which is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sigma raised to 5 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 6 1 3 4 5, and sigma is 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 1 4 5 6 2. So this multiplication we can write the first row as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1, 2 goes to 1, 1 goes to 2, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 3, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 4, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 5, 6 goes to 2, 2 goes to 6, which is the identity permutation tau, or some identity permutation. So we have to find sigma raised to 100, which is equal to sigma raised to 6 raised to 6 into 15 is 15 into 6 90, 16 into sigma raised to 4 is equal to sigma raised to 6 is tau, tau raised to 16 into sigma raised to 4, which is equal to tau sigma raised to 4, which is equal to sigma raised to 4, and we got the sigma raised to 4 as 1 2 3 4 5 6, and sigma raised to 4 is equal to 6 5 2 1 3 4. This is the answer, sigma raised to 100.